Okay, the first stock that we are looking at, it's Afrimat. We had covered Afrimat in our previous videos. We covered the stock when it broke out this resistance level, and as you can see, the stock has been trading above this resistance level, and then at some point there was this bit of a resistance here, of which the stock did manage to break outside it somewhere in November 2020, and then the stock traded upside that. But earlier this year there was a sharpish pullback from Afrimat. As we can see that it declined and then it broke below this support line at the beginning of February 2021. But since then the stock has recovered, as you can see now, after it came back above this resistance level, which this support level. It traded up there and then breaking or touching the previous swing high. So the stock is currently trading around 46 rand, but it did try to retest 47 rand 50 cent per share. So this is a stock that we have in our position. As you can see that it's on an uptrend, and so far this uptrend is sustained. So that's the reason why we have this stock. And then we have Anglo American PLC, which is currently trading at an all-time high of 634 rand per share, but it tried to reach 640 rand per share on Monday, March 8th, but it just did a minor pullback to come back and close somewhere around 635 rand per share. So this stock is continuously moving up. It's one of the miners that are doing well. So we also have this stock in our portfolio. The only reason we have it is because it keeps on reaching some all-time highs. Okay, we'd like to introduce you to our product offering that are available on Gumroad. If you go to Gumroad and search for Trend Trader, you'll find us there. So we've created two products. It's a systematic trend following cheat sheet. We've got two product offering. The first product is the complete cheat sheet, which include the ebook, an Excel worksheet that you use for risk management, and also it contains 4 videos that explain the system in full. Everything that is explained on the ebook is explained on the videos on how to set up charts and everything. And then also we have another option whereby you can just buy the ebook and the Excel worksheet. That one is going for $7. So if you're already familiar with charting and how to insert indicators, then you should consider buying the $7 option. But also we've made an alternative to the full course that includes the videos. Instead of buying the course forever for $20, you can rent out the course for $12, and the course will be available for 30 days. You will still have access to the ebook, the Excel worksheet, and the videos for that 30 days, and then you'll be able to learn everything. Let's see, if you don't want to buy the whole course for the $20, you can just rent it out for $12. Otherwise, you should consider just buying the ebook and the Excel worksheet. It is going for $7. So we believe that this system or this ebook will help you to become a better trader, especially if you're looking for a technical analysis approach that you can apply to different market. As we mentioned that this system is applicable in stocks, futures and currency pair trading, and also it will help you to understand technical analysis. So please go to Gumroad and check out these courses. We believe that they will help you a lot, and we will appreciate your continuous support. A stock that we are also interested on is Distell Group. It's not the first time we talk about this stock. We have covered it previously. As you can see that the stock was on a small consolidation period today. So the stock eventually it broke outside this consolidation. When it broke outside here, as you see here, we were anticipating a bit of a resistance, and then the stock started to pull back, forming what looked like a bullish flag. Eventually the stock broke outside this bullish flag, and then it also broke outside this resistance level. So now the stock moved up, coming to this potential resistance level, and then it formed another bullish flag, of which yesterday, March 8, it broke outside this bullish flag. So now we see that the stock is currently trading at 220 per share. So if you missed an opportunity to buy it yesterday, you can buy it at this current level, anywhere near 120 rand per share, and probably set your stop here at the bottom of this bullish flag. So if you buy it here, we are targeting this price here somewhere near 140. So that would be your potential reward from 120 rand per share to 140. That would be like a 20 rand reward. And then your stop level, if you set your stop level at 110 rand per share, it means that you will be carrying a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. So yeah, we really like the technical of this stock. As you can see, it's been forming some nice bullish flags, and then it break outside those bullish flags. So we'll keep on adding to these positions, to our existing position, whenever the stock break or form some of these classical chart patterns, and then smash them. So let me remove all these drawings so that you can move on onto the next stock. So the final stock that you are looking at, it's Invicta Holdings. We've also had this stock for quite some time now. It's been moving up nicely. As you can see, at some point, I think we got to the stock while it was trading somewhere near 10 rand per share, and we're anticipating a bit of a resistance near 20 rand per share, but we kept on holding. Last week Friday, the stock broke above this 20 rand resistance. It's currently trading at 20 rand 5 cent. So we expect the stock to continue to move. We expect it to trade and maybe reach this level at around 24 rand 25 rand per share, but our long-term target is somewhere near the 30 rand range. So now the stock still has, if there's a momentum, an upward momentum to push it to continue to go up, the stock has a potential to reach around 24 rand per share. If it breaks above that level, the stock can continue to reach about 30 rand per share. So those are some of the stock that we are looking at. And also we previously mentioned that the Satrix top 40 or the JSE top 40 in general, it's on an uptrend. As you can see, ever since the top 40 broke out of this resistance somewhere around 52,000 point or 54,000 points, but it's reflected as 54 rand using the net asset value of the Satrix 40 ETF. So ever since the stock broke out of this level, it's been making a series of higher highs and higher lows. It currently broke out of the 62,000 point or 62 rand per share level, and it's now currently near the 63,000 point. So at this moment we are bullish on the JSE, or at least in the JSE top 40, and as we've been showing previously, that there are some stocks that are breaking some new highs. So these are some of the stocks that we are looking at. And then just a side note, we want to mention that we've had a great run with Sasol. So we first got into Sasol somewhere when it was trading around 140, when it broke out at this level here. So that's where we got Sasol. As you can see, it traded up and then come back to retest the breakout level, and then we added onto our position. It traded up a bit with a bit of a consolidation. So as you can see now, it broke away, it break outside that consolidation. So now it's currently near this resistance level. Let me check if it did touch. So yesterday it traded up to about 234 rand per share, which is the resistance level that we were expecting it to go to. So now waiting to see if the stock will break outside this range, of which if it break outside this range, then it's possible that it will go all the way to about 300 rand per share. And then if it happens, maybe to consolidate a bit there and then break outside that range. Let's say if the stock consolidates here, we expect it to continue to break and then to move to the 300 rand region or so. so we'll be monitoring that stock as well.